Welcome to the car brand tier list. It's about time I do this. And oh my god, there is a lot of car brands here. I'll try to get through them all. I'm not sure if I will. I'll try though. I see some that I don't know what they are. I mean, I don't know what on earth a Claire Automart is. I don't know. But let's start. Fiat. Oh my god, I absolutely love Fiat. The Panda, the Fiat 500, they're all perfection. They're so good. That I don't really... They're really nice, but they're not very reliable. So, but they are one of my favourite car brands, so I have to put them. Alfa Romeo. I love Alfa Romeo. Oh, I was going to put them in B, but now I think of the Giulia. I think they should go in A. Acura. Luxury Honda. I think Honda's in mid, so Acuras are just above mid. Citroen. Mid. I love the DS concept car, the glass concept car they have, but like... Chevy, no need to explain. S tier. Favourite, oh my, absolutely love Chevrolet. W car brand, on God. They make some questionable cars, but overall they're really good. Celine. Very unknown, but I think they make some of the best cars. Well, I'll say cars, car. It's really cool. It's in Need for Speed, so I mean, I guess that's good. Volkswagen. I like Volkswagen. Just underneath S tier. Oldsmobile. I don't really know much about them. It's one of these American car brands. I'll just put them in C. They used to be NASCAR though. Honda, I already said where that would be. Mid. Ferrari. I don't know why. I don't think they're exactly S tier, but they are close. W Motors. Yeah, no. I like the Fast and Furious scene with it in is one of my favourites, but other than that, mids really. I mean, they only make like 2 cars and like, I don't really like UAE cars, to be honest. Like, they're too over the top. Hennessy, I can't really rank it. It's not a car company. They did make a 300 plus car, so B tier. Renault, I see Renaults every day. They're quite cool. They're just above Peugeot and Citroen because they make a lot of like unique, weird cars. Plymouth. Well, I don't really know. Rolls-Royce. They don't really look nice, but it is a Rolls-Royce. So I'll put it in there. Mazda. Infiniti. Infinitis, I don't like them. I really don't. I don't think they deserve an F tier. They do though. Despised. Dodge is the only like car company I objectively hate. I do not like them. The worst car company follows it by the best. No argument about it. Kias are amazing. They're reliable. They're relatively cheap. They've got a lot of tech and like, it's cool. Maserati. Not many people like. It's an overshadowed car. The MC20 and like just automatically deserves them an A spot. It's so good. Porsche classic. Hyundai. Kia 2.0. Mercedes. And now I saw Smart down here. Where's Smart? Yeah, down here. I really like Mercedes due to Smart, but without Smart cars, they're in an A tier. Oh my god, one of the best sports car brands ever, TVR, if not the best. I love TVRs. They're really like over the top, like just they're raw power. Like it's the British Viper, in my opinion, just way better because no one likes Vipers. Peugeot, yeah, just go in there. Lancia, I like Lancia. They deserve an A tier. They're not really popular in the UK, but Ford. Yeah, no, I'm a Chevrolet kid. I'm sorry. No, I absolutely no idea what this is. You'll stay here. American. I'm going to need to search up what that is. Lexus. I really like Toyota. They're just underneath Toyota, so I'd say 80. 80 is getting pretty full. I'll try to have a bit less than 80. So, best sports car brand ever, Lotus. And TVR. Lotus and TVR, same level. I love them both. Yeah, no. After what they do with the Top 00, bro, they need to get... Actually, I like the pink on it. And I like their older cars. Actually, they're luxurious too. Actually, they're quite rare, so A. Back. Dunno. Mercury. Oh, yes. Actually, let's do them in order of how much I like them. Kia, Chevy, Fiat, Mercury, Hyundai. Oh, TVR, Lotus. I think TVR's just barely in front. So this is how it's looking so far. Let's do with these as well. Bada binga, bada boonga. Ooh. This. Like that. Yeah, like that. That's pretty much good as a true. Yeah, Rolls Royce better than both of those. Yeah, that's about it. Right, now, GMC. Pretty tacky. It's a GM car. Actually, no, it's GM itself. How no, I don't like GM. Jeeps. The what's it called? Wrangler almost carried it straight to an S tier, but there's more than just that. Gotta be Audi. We have an Audi. Yeah, it's comfortable. It's kind of luxurious. Give it a B tier. Beamers. I've never been a fan of Beamers. I like them more. I like them much more now. Still need a bit of work to be done to get in my favourites list. Volvo. Polestar's one of my favourite brands. Polestar on here. Polestar is not on here. But they made Polestar one of my favourite brands. I love Polestar. They would have been in an S. Volvo reliable as well. Get in. Buick. It's like the Mercury. It's a forgotten car brand. I don't really know much about them though. Let's place them here. Shelby. Corvette better, buddy. Corvette better. Teslas, I like Teslas, but they're kind of like soulless, if you know what I'm saying. I like Tesla, but need more character to it, honestly. Caterham. Lotus the second. I mean, I've got to place it where Lotus is, really, just behind Lotus. But, yeah, it's Caterham. Oh! Bugatti! You go here, Bugatti. I like them, but like, not quite on the... Oh, you get back there. Not quite number one. I don't know who I'm supposed to have literally like Volvo above Bugatti, but like, cry about it, mate. Holden. See, it's the Australian Chevrolet. Of course, it's got to go in an S tier. It's Sherry the second, quite tacky, but like, they're cool. They are like Holden. They make like these super pickups. I don't know. Toyota S tier. Just here. Right, what else we have? Dog. In dog ass. Abarth, yeah. Sports Fiat, mate. Bro, I love Abarth. Hummers. Mid. Eagle. No idea. Pagani. Nothing's getting in front of Alfa Romeo, let's see. Pagani's better than Bugatti, I'm sorry. Is Ariel. I like Ariels. I think I've seen an Ariel Latin before, I'm not sure though. Yeah, they're really good. They're really cool. In front of Tesla, there we go. Nissan. Yeah, no, mid. Opel. Yeah, very common in Poland, where I come from. Just go here. Subaru. I like Subaru. The Samba. Oh, yeah. Carry me away. Put it there. Range Rovers. Yeah, I like Range Rovers, you know. A is getting pretty big. Right, this is last car going in A tier. Nothing else can go in A tier. So, no idea what that is. Saab, I can't put it in A tier. It's closer to S. It is. I like Saab. It's probably no audio on this thing, I know that. But Lambo. Yeah, go on. S tier. I can't put it in A. Right, only two more it can go in S tier. Which of those two will be Smart and Bentley. Those are the last two going in. Bentley. Here. Smart. Goes. Where would it go? In front of Toyota. Right here. So no more in S tier allowed. So it's either C, B, C, D or F. Nah, bro. Koenigsegg. You know what, I don't get, screw that rule. Koenigsegg's going in. I say Koenigsegg's good. Koenigsegg's good. It's good. Mini. Yeah. Lincoln. It was made like Mercury, I don't know. No more allowed in S tier though, definitely. Chrysler. Oh, they're with partnership with Fiat, so like, put them up in there. Cadillacs, yeah. I don't know, I don't really like Cadillac. Pretty mid. Sion, don't know what that is. Aston Martin. Aston Martin, brev. Yeah, they're okay. Saturn. Was that like Mercury's competitor? I don't know. He's pretty cool though. Oh, what the hell? Oh my god. What the hell's going on? There we go. Anyway, Saturn. Okay, it's there, I guess. Pontiac. Yeah, I like Pontiac. Make them go in this tier. In A. Seems actually where I'd put them, yeah. Suzuki. Mitsubishi. Oh, yeah, that's another one I hate. Getting there. Suzuki. Yeah, I guess they're okay. So guys, this is my tier list. It's gone a bit laggy, I don't know why. Hope you guys enjoy it, and well, we'll see you guys next time. This... Oh, Where's Chrysler gone? Chrysler, get back in there. See you tomorrow. It's next time.